In this video we will be demonstrating how to set temperature and run this profile controller Fiji PFX4. So currently this is at standby position. This is the standby indicator. To simply run the machine, once you have entered the program, this is the run button. So firstly we will be entering the program. To enter the program, press and hold this select button for 5 seconds. You will see channel 1. From down key, shift to channel 3 program and then press select button again. In this, press the down key to reach set value 1. You can enter the desired set value over here. Press the set button, you will see there is a blinking. Suppose we want to change this 600 temperature to 700, we'll be using up and down keys to change them. Now press set button again. Now press down button to enter the timer. It will require, this timer is how much time it will take from current value to the set value. In the suppose you want a ramp rate of 10 degree per minute, you can change this value and change this desired value to increase or decrease the ramp rate. Once ramp rate is done, you have to enter the holding time. This is TM15 holding time. We have entered it at 1 hour. Now our furnace will take 1 hour 20 minutes to reach our set point and it will hold for 1 hour. After that it will stop. Set value 2. This is the next set value after holding time. How much temperature you want to further go up from the previous set value. We want to use the single program, so we are not entering any set value. Similarly, there is timer for set value 2, holding timer for set value 3, 4 and so on. Up to 16 programs it is there. Now you press enter. When we have pressed enter, and now you can see this is in standby position. You simply press this enter button for 5 seconds. It will change this to run. Now you can see there is a run indicator, and this is the percentage of heating. Current it is going to heaters. This is our current set value and present value. Currently machine is under testing, so the machine is having a temperature of 350 degree. The set value will increase automatically up to 600 degree, and as we have entered in program, and then it will take 1 hour 20 minutes to reach this time, this temperature, and then it will hold for 1 hour. So once the program is finished, it will automatically stop working. Now you can simply in between close this program by pressing this enter button. Hold this for 5 seconds and then they will stand by. Thank you.